Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Sam, and today I'm going to be showing you guys behind the scenes of how I set up for my self-portrait at home. If you don't know, I've been into self-portrait for a long time now, and a lot of people on Instagram have been asking me like how I take pictures and all that jazz. So I decided that I'm going to be bringing you guys more of those type of videos. So yeah, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'm gonna leave my Instagram mock-up somewhere here, and you can also click the link in the description section to go and follow me on Instagram, because ciao, I'm killing it over there. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking you guys behind the scenes. I'm gonna show you guys how I set up. So today I intend to do 3 shoots. So I have scene 1. I'm going to be showing you guys scene 1, scene 2, and scene 3. And yeah, the struggle is real, but it's worth it, especially if you enjoy doing what you do. Alright y'all, so this is setup number 1. So what I've done is I have put a bunch of fake plants that I got from China Mall. I just go to China Mall all the time, and I just get a bunch of flowers, bunch of like fake plants, whatever you want to call it, and I just keep them because I know the type of work that I do. So behind this little couch or sofa, whatever you want to call it, that I made myself, that's why it looks kind of weird. Behind this, I have these fake plants. Let me show you. Like you can see at the lower ends, they're in pots and stuff. I don't want the bottom showing, so I just put them behind here to make it look like I'm in some sort of open area or whatever it is. So that's a little setup for set 1 or scene 1, whatever you want to call it. Now, I'm gonna drop the photos now. Hey, also right behind me is set number 2, and I have changed my outfit. I'm wearing a nightwear. So yeah, I'm just gonna roll the montage of this, and I'm gonna show you what I did here. This is technically my bed. So this is my window. I did not set up this place because of this picture or anything. My bedroom has been like this. So the thing about me is, because I know I do a lot of portraits in here, I felt like, okay, I need to give my room or just my apartment in general an aesthetic feel. I did not touch my living room because I know that I be changing and turning things around every time I'm filming and stuff like that. So that's like the only place I can build a set. But like my bed area, I felt like, okay, it just needs to have this little aesthetic feel to it. Who knows, I might take picture in it or something, or at that spot I just set in it. So this is the setup. This is just my bed. I put my white sheet on top of it, and I took my 2 tiny pillows from my living room area and brought it here. And I have this DIY thing I made as my bedside table. So on here I just have this reflector, and the soft box is above the reflector so that it can bounce the light back, so that there can be a balanced light, and my camera is right here. What I Did here was I just brought this mirror that I've been sitting around in my room for a while. I don't know where to put it, so I brought it on my bed, and then I put this sunflower thingy in front of it. I got this sunflower from Malcolm Plus, and the leaf around it I got it from China Mall, my two favorite places. So I'm just gonna show you the footage of what I actually did. It was a bit creative and stuff like that, so yeah, enjoy. This is it. Nothing too fancy, nothing too extra, but it's gonna turn out pretty great. So what I did was I put a black backdrop, and then I put the black French thing. I'm gonna move this ring light a bit forward to me so that I can have a neon looking stuff. And then I have a couple of props that I got from China Mall. It's a neon candy. You have the neon glasses, whatever it is, but I'm going to be using the neon candy and stuff like that. So I'm pretty much excited for this one. That does it for this little section. I hope you guys enjoy, and stay tuned for more, because I'm gonna be doing more like setup photo shoot section and stuff like that, and I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me, because a lot of you guys get curious as to how I take pictures, how I come up with my ideas and stuff like that. I'm gonna share all of the major tea with you guys. So see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to stay true to yourself, and peace. We're out.